All right, this is a check. We're just, I'm just trying to see if things are working here. Let me adjust a few stuff. Okay, let me see what else I can do. I'm not sure. All right, so I am now playing with a hybrid system. I've got mostly there with my network. So this is my little retirement project, right? Learning how to do more involved with making video content and computers and stuff. And I've really made the jump into Linux deeply and replaced my operating systems that were once Windows 10 and 11 and got a new computer to augment my studio that has more memory so that the video production is a little better quality. I'm not done with that. I'm gonna start learning how to like put in chips and cards and expand the memory on the device itself. But in any event, Cheapo Productions. This little switch here is a switch box, and it's got it's slow to make its switches, so I have to do a little post editing. But anyway, let's see what happens here, and hopefully I got audio coming onto it. I'm not sure if I do or don't. And here we go. Let's see. So I think I'm on 4. I think. All right, that's right, 4. All right, so then we're going to go to 1. And let's see who's on 1. All right. And there it is. That's what my screen looks like. That's my screen on my old computer, the red one. And this is my choices of what I can look at visually. All right. Look at that. That's pretty cool. All right. So this is a new browser that I'm using. Actually, it's called Zen, and these are just 2 channels here. So this is my free electron channel. This is my home channel. These are some of my things that I got going on here. These are my different shows, my videos, right? And I'm not sure how this works. Yeah, you go this way. So I got a little listing of shows here that I've done over the years. And I guess I gotta go deeper into the channel to see more stuff. All right, so this is my that's that computer. All right, now let's see what else I got. All right, I got so many buttons and mice. There's like 3 mouses on mouses. There's 3 mice on my table. That sounds really funny to operate these different computers and like I've been doing so much work on them. All right, so let's see now. That's 1. Okay. So let's go to 2. Right, my sensor is up above my head. Okay. Oh look. See, now this is my other computer. And this one's, I just put it to my Gmail account, and then one of my Gmail accounts where I upload my photos. So you can see some of my work here. Whoops, can't show that. I got some naked aliens. Yeah, the Grok doesn't like my naked aliens. All right, so these are some of my cartoon panels and some local shots. All right, that's computer 1 and computer 2. Those are my laptops. And then we go to 3. This is my big kahuna. Oh, I put some artwork up. And that you might recognize that, anybody who's there, but yeah, look, I got so many mice I don't know which one to use. All right, so you can move things around, and as you can see, this is not Windows. This is Linux. I'm in a Linux system here, and this is just so fascinating. And this is the file finder, and these were all a lot of these images, like these are old photos of my artwork or my photography. This is just in a one of my files. Yeah, so that was Grok telling this is how big the moon should look like from the Earth. Something like that. That's how big the moon should look like. And then, yeah, right. So this is what NASA says, and this is what artificial intelligence says. This is given that the Earth is 3 times bigger than the moon, or the moon is 25% of the size of the Earth. This is how big the Earth should appear. Not like that. Anyway, I don't know how much. I don't know what's true anymore. Right? Yeah, there's my little commentary on it. That's me. Yeah, there you go. That's a good one. All right. So there's that. And let's see what else we got here, and then we move on to 4. Let's see, and we're back to me. And now, let's see how this all worked out, and maybe I'll get a little poster card for everybody. All right. So that's my progress with how I'm doing with dealing with making the transition away from Windows into Linux systems. It's been a journey. Let me tell you what. I found a few things out. I really did. I really did. All right. Over and out for now.